Welcome students. This is Social Science class 8th standard Sociology lesson number 1 Introduction to Sociology. In my last videos we have discussed about meaning of sociology, scope of sociology, nature of sociology and the interrelationship between sociology with other social sciences. As well as we discussed about early sociologists. Among them, Augustus Comte is considered as the father of sociology, Karl Marx, Max Weber, Emil Durkheim, etc. Among the Indian sociologists, we have discussed about the role of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Iravathi Karve, M.N. Srinivas, C. Parvathamma and others. This is 5th video, Introduction to Sociology. Let us discuss about question and answers. If you have not watched the previous videos, please check in the playlist. Now, I will give you the answers for the lesson 1 Sociology, Introduction to Sociology. First main, fill in the blanks. First one, man is social being. 2. Logos means study. 3. The father of sociology is Augustus Comte. 4. Karl Marx is called as the advocate of conflict theory. 4. Karl Marx is called as the advocate of conflict theory. 5. Annihilation of Caste was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. After knowing about fill in the blanks, let us move on to question and answers. Answer the following questions. First one, who is called as the father of sociology? Augustus Comte is called as the father of sociology. Second question, describe the nature of sociology. Answer 1. Sociology has a unique place among all the social sciences. 2. It studies social life and activities of human society. 3. It studies the general interaction involving human being life, religion, politics and economy, moral and intellectual. 4. Like this, it studies human society as it is. 5. It never engages in how it should be studied. 6. Like this, sociology remain neutral, value-based aspects. Third question, what is sociology? The word sociology is originated from two words, socius meaning companion and logos meaning science or study. The sociology is the science of human society. Name the important early sociologists. The early sociologists are 1. Augustus Comte, 2. Karl Marx, 3. Emil Durkheim, 4. Max Weber. Fifth question, name the important Indian sociologists. The important Indian sociologists are 1. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Parvathamma, 3. G.S. Ghurye, 4. Iravathi Karve, 5. M.N. Srinivas, 6. A.R. Desai. Mention the importance of sociology. Importance of sociology are 1. Sociology studies human society scientifically. 2. Supplement the personality developments. 3. Understand social processes. 4. Aid in understanding social problems and their solutions. 5. Sociology supports the effective implementation of development programs. Mention the interrelationship between sociology and other social sciences. Answer. The relationship of sociology with other social sciences. 1. Relationship between sociology and political science. 2. Relationship between sociology and history. 3. Relationship between sociology and anthropology. 4. Relationship between sociology and psychology. 5. Relationship between sociology and economics. 8th question. Explain the relationship between history and sociology. Sociology and history are interrelated. History is the creation of life of a past society. Sociology is the recreation of contemporary society. Sociology supports historians by providing scientific knowledge of various social institutions and their rules and functions. Mention definitions of sociology. 1. Augustus Comte. Sociology is the science of the social phenomena subject to the natural and invariable laws, the discovery of which is the object of investigation. 2. Max Weber definition. According to him, sociology is the study of social behavior. 3. Emil Durkheim. According to him, sociology is the science of social institutions. 10th question. What does the sociology study? Answer. Sociology studies human society scientifically. These aids progress in other fields of human life like personality development, religion, traditions, culture, social rules and regulations, values and ideal. 11th question. What books were written by Karl Marx? Books written by Karl Marx are 1. Das Kapital 1865. 2. The Holy Family 1845. 3. German Ideology 1845. 4. The Manifesto of the Communist Party 1848. 12th question. Human beings are social beings. Explain. 1. Relationship between man and society is unique. There is no society without man nor man without society. 3. Man is a social animal. 4. He desires to leave others around him. 5. Society is necessary for the development of all of us because social relationships are necessary for man's existence. 6. That is the reason human society has been called a web of social relationships and man is a social being. 13th question. Write a note on Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's early life. Answer. 1. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born in Ambawadi village of Maharashtra on April 14, 1891. 2. He lost his mother at the age of 6 and grew up under the care of his aunt Mirabai and started his primary education at Satara. 3. He joined the popular Elphinstone High School of Mumbai and passed matriculation with first class in 1907. 4. He married Ramabai. 5. With the help of a scholarship awarded by Maharaja of Rs 25, he earned his BA and MA degrees. 6. He received his PhD from Columbia University in 1916. 7. He started at fortnightly magazine named Mukanayaka. 8. His major works on Annihilation of Caste 1936, Who Are Shudras 1946, Buddha and His Dhamma in 1957 and others. 10th. His writings are published in 26 volumes from the Government of Karnataka in Kannada. 11th. He died on December 6, 1956. 14th question. Write a note on prominent sociologists from Karnataka. C. Parvatamma. First point. C. Parvatamma is a prominent contemporary social edges from Karnataka. 2. She grew up in a difficult situation and with a lot of determination became one of the leading sociologists of India. 3. She was born at Sayagalli village of present Davanagere district in June 1928. 4. She completed her education in a single teacher school at her village. 5. She continued education of middle school education at the neighboring village and high school education at Davanagere. 6. She finished her intermediate education at Maharani College, Mysore. 7. She later joins BA Honours in Social Philosophy at Maharaja College of Mysore and earned first rank in BA Honour. 8th point. Her major contributions are Politics and Religion, Sociological Essays on Veerashaivism, and her studies on socio-economic status of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. 15th question. Write a note on noted Indian sociologist M.N. Srinivas. Answer. First point, M.N. Srinivas, his full name was Mysore Narasimhachar Srinivas and was born Narasimhachar and Rukmini on November 16, 1916 at Mysore. He received a MA LLB PhD from Bombay University and worked as a professor at Delhi. His major contributions are The Religion and Society of Kodavas of South India 1952, Indian Villages, Social Change in Modern India 1966, Remembered Village 1976. Fourth point, he wrote a book called The Religion and Society of Kodavas of South India in 1952 under the guidance of his teacher Radcliffe Brown. With these answers, I will conclude the explanation and question answers about Introduction of Sociology lesson. So you go through all these question and answers, then you will get complete information about the lesson. Thank you, children.